2 more carts full of stuff. The 4Runner is still not empty, but we're gonna just work on what we have tonight and see if we can find even room enough for that. Well, the bittersweet moment has finally come. It is time to say goodbye. We're all packed up. The house is empty. I'm gonna shut off these lights. And it's been a good 10 years. Really gonna miss this place. But, you know, better things await, new things. We got the 4Runner is packed to the brim. A few things left over in here that my sister will pick up. But it's time to hit the road. Got a 5-hour drive north, and it's been raining today. So, you know, it is what it is. It's a pretty sad day. So, I don't think we could stick even one more item in the 4Runner. It's bursting at the seams. Let's take a look at Ramey's little pocket she's got. She doesn't look too happy in there, but it's what we got. And yeah, we got another bag here. It might just have to ride on your lap. We're gonna find out. Whew. All right, we just got into Blaine. Long drive, but it's still early. It's not even 3 yet, so we made pretty good time. And what a day! It is absolutely beautiful here. The camera doesn't seem to want to turn. There we go. But now we got the big task of unloading the 4Runner here. And I know everybody's probably laughing at us, you know, thinking we have way too much stuff. So we realize that, and it should be fun and interesting. So I think it's probably time to get started. Well, it's definitely not getting any better in here. You know, but we got all night, right? So I got the memory foam in here and the stern berth, and so I think that's where I'm going to set up shop tonight. I think Ramey would like sleeping up there with me. And I just see a late night putting all this stuff away. So even the dock box over there, we've been filling up. That's kind of nice. Kind of like having your own little garage. But when we go offshore, we're going to have to dial all this down to where, you know, we don't need anything like that. We know we got way too much stuff. But it's just, what do you bring, what don't you bring? So that's just where we're at. Well, good morning. It's day 6, and today we're going sailing.